So hello students, today I am going to do with you today parts of speech. In English we are going to do today parts of speech. It is very important topic in English grammar. Parts of speech are those without which we cannot express our words and thought. So there are 8 parts of speech in English. There are 8 parts of speech in English. So these 8 parts is very essential and very necessary. With the help of these 8 parts of speech, we speak, we write, and we express ourselves. Now, what are these 8 parts of speech in English? I am writing down on this screen. You also write it down in your copy. So there are 8 parts of speech in English. What are those 8 parts of speech? Let's see. Number 1, noun. The first part of speech is noun. Second is pronoun. Second is pronoun. So these are parts of speech. Now I am going to tell you third. The third part of speech is verb. The third part of speech is verbs. Verbs are action words. Now fourth part of speech is adverbs. Fifth part of speech is adjective. Adjectives are fifth part of speech. Now sixth part of speech is preposition. Preposition, which show the relationship between two words or sentences. This is a preposition. Now seventh part of speech is conjunction, which is called also joining words. Now last part of speech is interjection, which is a sudden feeling. We can't avoid interjection. It is a sudden expression. So please write down classwork and date also at the top of your copy. Write classwork and put today's date, that is 2nd November and 2020. Please write your date also. I hope you have written classwork and date also. So we have done parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech in English, which is very important for all of you to understand. Today I am going to write sentences and divide that each word of a sentence into these 8 parts of speech, and I will tell you each word of that sentence belong to which part of speech out of these 8. Okay? So today we have done 8 parts of speech in English grammar. So I hope you have written down in your copy. Please write down these 8 parts of speech in English in your copy. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Now I am going to give you sentence. As I told you, I am going to give you a sentence and divide that sentence in 8 parts of speech so that you can understand properly. Now see, For the first sentence, I am going to write, you also write down in your copy. Now, I am going to explain these 8 parts of speech by writing sentences. Now, sentence number 1. Rahul has bought a new pen today. So this is the first sentence. Now I am going to divide this sentence into different parts of speech. Now sentence 1 is Rahul has bought a new pen today. So now I am going to divide this. First, Rahul. So Rahul belongs to which part of speech? Rahul is a noun. After Rahul has. Now has is what part of speech? It is verb. Now after has, bought. Bought is which part of speech? That is verb. Now A. You know A is an article. A, an and the. And all the article belong to adjective grammatically. So A is which part of speech? A is adjective. Now new. So new is adjective. And now pen. So today. Today is adverb. Oh, today is which part of speech? Adverb. Oh, I have forgot to write pen. So let's write pen also. So pen is which part of speech? Pen is noun. So you have seen that I have divided the sentence Rahul has bought a new pen today into different grammatical speech in which Rahul is noun, has is verb, bought is verb, A is adjective, new is adjective, pen is noun, and today is adverb. Now let's go to question number 2. Sentence number 2. The second sentence I am writing is Tokyo is a beautiful city. So Tokyo is a beautiful city. So Tokyo is a beautiful city is a sentence in which Tokyo is a noun, is a verb, A is adjective, and beautiful is also adjective, and city is a noun. So Tokyo is a beautiful city. It is a sentence in which Tokyo is a noun, is a verb, A is adjective, beautiful is adjective, and city is noun. So I have made you write 2 sentences and I have divided them into different parts of speech. So I hope you have understood it well. More I am going to explain, and more sentences and division of parts of speech I will give in my next video. So till then, goodbye.